Before the listing content view is done, we're going to add a SwiftUI modifier that makes our users' experience a whole lot better without too much work. It's searchable. Adding this will allow users to filter the list of resorts we're showing in there, making it easy to find the exact thing they're looking for. This takes only 4 steps, starting with a new @state property in content view that will store the text the user is currently searching for. So I'll say here, @state private var search text is an empty string by default. Second, we're going to bind that to our list in content view by adding this directly below the navigation title modifier. So down here somewhere, our title and destination, somewhere around here, we're going to say, let's add that searchable modifier. Now I'm going to add the text prompt version here, so I can have the text to bind to, but also some sort of prompt to show as well, tell users what to do in this box. The text will be $search text, and prompt, that's going to be search for a resort. Come on, you can preview. Nope. I'll try slightly harder. There we go, got there in the end. There's a little search box, just pull down a little bit, you'll see it there, and there's search resort at the top. Third, we need to add a computed property that will handle the filtering of our data. So if our new search text property here is empty, then we need to send back all the resorts we loaded. Otherwise, we're going to use localized standard contains to filter the array based on their search criteria. So let's add a property up here somewhere. We'll call this filtered resorts. It is an array of resort coming back the way. And I'll say, if our search text is empty, then send back resorts. Otherwise, send back resorts after we pass it through the filter method. We're going to filter out values, so only values that match a test of our choosing are sent back in the return value. Our test will be, does this value, $0, one element from the array, have a name that has a localized standard contains of our search text? Does it contain the user's search text somewhere in there? Remember, this thing is the preferred way of doing user-facing searches. It ignores casing, it ignores accents and diacritics and more. It's really helpful. The final step is to use filtered resorts as the data source for our list. So rather than using the whole array, we'll just say use filtered resorts. And that's it. Really, it's done already. It's really very, very easy. But the result works so very well. Let's run it back now. Hopefully you'll see it running. Come on, you can do it. Thinking, there we go, okay. So just pull down, get back to the search. I'm going to search for, let's do a letter V. And you see it has Les Trois Vallées and Vale Skill Resort and Squaw Valley. They all have V's in there somewhere in there. Let's do V-A-L. And then you see it getting smaller and smaller. Double L, smaller and smaller. So it works really, really well. So, honestly, adding searchable to your apps is one of the biggest bang for buck features in SwiftUI. It is such an important feature for users, and it took us only a few minutes to implement.